Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. BJP not to allow Ram Sene's entry in Goa. Chief spokesperson of BJP makes the announcement. Politicians, social activists and youth oppose Ram Sene's entry. Directorate of Fire Services ill-equipped, insufficient personnel, vehicles not in good condition. A Mumbai-like event can lead to major loss of life and property. Drugs from China infest coastal areas. Popular among tourists, Goa receives drugs from Pakistan, Afghanistan, the USA, Holland, Germany. A shocking report. Prostitution racket busted by Kalangut. Police exposes online flesh trade. Group used to strike deals through a website. Russian lady fetched girls from different parts of India, supplied them to customers. And after cricket and basketball, it's Goa Table Tennis Association's turn to face allegations. Sandeep Hebde wants GTTA office bearers to resign. Vero Nunes says nothing is wrong with the association. And now the news in detail. It is now clear that the BJP will not allow Sri Ram Sene's entry in Goa. This announcement has come from the chief spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Wilfred Mesquita. On the other hand, politicians and social activists and youth have opposed entry of Ram Sene in the state. Goa government had earlier banned the entry of Sene in the state in 2009.
Chief spokesperson of BJP says that Pramod Mutalik and Ram Sene don't have place in Goa till BJP is in power.
This Ram Sene has no credibility anywhere in India, and so Mutalik. So I do not understand how this self-appointed guardian of Indian culture is being praised or is being so much talked about by the self-appointed guardians of Goan culture. Bharatiya Janata Party gives no importance to Ram Sene and Mutalik. That will make it very clear.
Mutalik and Ram Sene Goan Sabon na and Kenyan Aspanda General and BJP Sakirasana. That assures the country. Kolam Party government. No Mutalik, no Sene in Goa as long as BJP is in power.
Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai condemned the statement of working president of GPCC on entry of Ram Sene and also hit out at continued silence of the chief minister on statement of Ram Sene chief for inaugurating their centre in Goa.
South Goa MP has advised the Ram Sena to do social work and felt that its entry need not be banned, because if you ban it, it will come under some other name or other label. Now I find this very shocking that the MP did not utter or did not let his own government know of this in 2009 when the Ram Sena was banned by the then Congress government. Sudden volte face by some senior Congress leaders is to gain sympathy from the chief minister, especially in the light of his declared scheme to withdraw cases against politicians in the state.
Working president of GPCC, Francisco Sardina, had earlier said that there is nothing wrong with entry of Ram Sene to do good social work. Sardina had said that if their intention is bad and if they do anything wrong, then the administration should punish them. Meanwhile, former Minister Babu Asgaonkar has also come out against the entry of Ram Sene in the state.
Ram Senaचे आमचे साथ विरोध आणि जो या विरोधाचे जी चळवळीक आसतलो तेका आमचो एसोसिएशन फुल सपोर्ट करतलो, कारण आमकां हांगा सेक्युलर राज जाय, धर्माचे राजकारण आमकां नाका. आमकां जाय हिंदू मुस्लिम कॅथलिक सगळे एकठांय वागपाक. मनोहर पर्रीकर खरो प्रामाणीक हा, आनी ताणें दाखोवन दिवचो आपले जे भितरली ताकद की असल्या जे जातीवाद हा तांकां आमी लागीं धरची न्हू.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services is ill-equipped and the number of firefighting personnel are insufficient. Firefighting vehicles are not in good condition, nor are the accessories enough for firefighting exercise. The firefighting officials somehow risk their lives to rescue the property and lives of the people. However, Director of Fire and Emergency Services Ashok Menon is confident that they are ready for any eventuality.
Firefighting vehicles, the government has approved, there are some vehicles which are to be condemned. So our Honorable CM has approved the condemnation also, and we are in the process of now fabricating new vehicles, and we will be putting out tenders as well. So that for that we require a little more funds. So I have also sent this to government to give us in the supplementary batch. So that is also, the proposal is with the government. As far as the infrastructure is concerned and the firefighting capability, we are very confident to tackle such fires. In the past also we have done. But however, if we are equipped much more and given more firefighting personnel, where there is a imbalance in the firefighting personnel, so that also if we can get, I think it will serve the purpose. State is already having an aerial ladder platform, you could see, and a 32 meters aerial ladder platform, which is placed in the headquarters. Around 300 lakhs to buy a turntable ladder, which again a 32 meters turntable ladder. We have an ALP, aerial ladder platform, and the turntable ladder is for a different purpose altogether. So we have sent the proposal to government now. It is awaiting approval from the government. Each year we are upgrading with this heavy equipment, because the cost of these equipments are quite high, and we have to get it from abroad. Government has approved the fire station land at Pato, which I think by this year it should be ready, and the Honorable Chief Minister assured that the station will be handed over to the Fire and Emergency Services.
With reporter Laukik Chilkar, video journalist Omkar Farari.
Drugs like mandrax from China have infested the coastal areas popular amongst tourists. Anti-narcotics cell of Goa police have submitted a report to Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar detailing the narcotics scenario in Goa. Surprisingly, drugs from USA, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Germany, Holland and Nepal infiltrate Goa every year. This is a shocking report.
The number of cases of narcotics being cracked by Goa police compelled Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to seek a detailed report from ANC of Goa police. The report stated that mandrax, which is mainly sold in the form of tablets, is a hit among South African nationals who come to holiday on the beaches of Goa. According to Anti-Narcotics Cell of Goa Police, cannabis and hemp are clandestinely routed from Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir and Nepal into the state and then sold to tourists. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan are sources of opium, a drug prepared from poppy, while heroin is smuggled from Pakistan, Afghanistan, Central Asian Republic, Uzbekistan and Colombia. Synthetic drugs like LSD are produced from South America and ecstasy from Holland, Germany and the USA. CM has asked the police department to go for heavy crackdown against drugs. This report will help the department to track and crack the sources of drugs coming into Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Well, it's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.